Good Wednesday morning is April 23rd, 2025. Gonna be another beautiful day. It's gonna be like the best day. Highs in the mid-70s, beautiful weather, no wind. I mean, you gotta get outside today, do a walk, do a lunch outdoors, do something to enjoy this weather. It's just some of the nicest weather of the year. The only challenge this time of the year, of course, is the pollen. It starts to feel a little hotter, and don't forget sunscreen if you're gonna be out there for a long time, because the sun angle starts getting higher. Anyway, here we are, nice and clear here on the East Coast. We are, of course, going to see some chances of showers as we head into Friday, which is, of course, for the weekend. But regardless, we need the rain, period. Exclamation point, major. We are in a severe drought, and we really need that rain to come in. It's going to slightly cool temperatures as we head into like Sunday, but then as we go into Monday and into next week, it's going to be much warmer. You'll see that on the forecast. So here are the showers coming in, mainly afternoon and evening on Friday. Could have a shower or a thunderstorm. On Saturday, definitely a chance of showers. Not super heavy rain by any means on Saturday. And then this is the cooler high pressure that's going to come in and cause us breezy conditions on Sunday, of course. Another breezy Sunday with highs in the 60s. The breeze will make it feel a little chillier. But not a bad day overall. Just, March winds are not, or April winds, I guess, at this point, are not atypical this time of year as we get through a lot of changes in pressure as the patterns are shifting. Good day to fly some kites if you have them. That slowly, lets up, and then next week we get on the southerly flow as the high moves off the coast. Southerly southwesterly flow. This is a very warm pattern. Could see highs up into the mid and upper 80s if we're not going to see any moisture with this. This is a southeast ridge or southeast U.S. high, or what is also known as a Bermuda high. In the summer, it brings our warmest temperatures. This time of the year, we're just fortunate it's still pretty early. Still, very warm pattern. It's slow up to the north. I mean, this is strong southwesterly winds, also dry winds, unfortunately. That could mean some fire concerns next week. We'll have to see. Then maybe later in the week, another front's going to come through. This is Wednesday, Thursday time period. Again, this is now over a week away, so, reality of exactly what's going to happen is always something to watch. But I like how much that rain stuck around over top of us. Hopefully we get some good showers from Wednesday through the weekend, through Saturday. Hopefully, it'd be nice if it cleared out. Then it looks like another cool push happens. We'll have to see if this comes true or not. It's so far off in the future, it's hard to say. This time of the year, you get warm, then you get a strong front, you get cool for a few days, and then we warm back up. That's pretty typical. We need as much fronts and rain coming through the area as we possibly can. So, all right, so let's look at those temperatures. So this is the anomaly. So this is basically measuring how close we are to normal on the temperatures. And today we are looking at some above normal temperatures, slightly above, 5, 6, 7, 8 degrees above normal. As we head into Thursday, still nice, very warm day. Then as we head into the weekend, on Friday, Saturday, we're going to get a little cooler because we get the clouds around and that front comes through, so it knocks temperatures back down. I mean, Sunday night will be in the 40s, pretty chilly. That's below normal for sure. But very quickly, as the high gets off the East Coast here on Monday, we get a return flow by Tuesday. Temperatures start popping right back up. So Tuesday, our temperatures go and really ramp up in the afternoon, so we get up into the 80s. And that warmer air sticks around for several days before that front, maybe middle to late next week, knocks our temperatures back down to at or below normal as we head towards the weekend, depending on what that front exactly does. We'll have to see how things pan out. That's pretty far off. Moisture-wise, I'm not going to keep on going. Moisture-wise, let's see what the precipitation looks like over the next 7 days. On this model, this is showing you when we're going to get our rain chances. And again, Friday afternoon, evening into Saturday, here we are. We're seeing that precipitation increase. Not a lot of rain, but here we'll go closer now because we are looking close here in to see what the weather and rain forecast looks like. So as we go out, as we head into the weekend, we get some moisture in here. Maybe a quarter of an inch or so, maybe up to a half an inch as we get in the northern sections. Getting exact locations on the model is going to be hard to say. Then we go into next week, and it's not middle until late next week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday time, before maybe some more showers come in here. This would be nice. This looks like a good amount of rain. But that's a cumulative approach, so it's only a half an inch or more each time. So we'll have to see how this pans out. Let's see what the actual official forecast from the Weather Prediction Center is for the next 7 days for our region. And they're showing about what that model showed. Maybe a quarter to a half an inch. About, a little over a quarter of an inch, but a little less than a half of an inch for the next 7 days. That seems likely, and that's just not enough rain to break our drought. So there you go. Beautiful. You get outside if you haven't, and then we will have a potentially stormy somewhat on Friday into Saturday, some showers, and then cooler Sunday, but then warming up next week, and then we'll wait for next week to see if we can get some more moisture in the middle and later part. Have a good Wednesday, halfway there to the weekend. Have a good one.